What does it really mean to hustle? And how does that differ from grinding? In today's video, we're breaking down these two powerful mindsets in the journey to wealth. Are you a hustler or a grinder? Each path has its own unique strengths and challenges, and choosing the right one could be the key to your success. So stick around. This could transform how you approach wealth building. Defining hustle and grind. Let's get right to it. What exactly do hustle and grind mean? People often use these terms interchangeably, but they're not the same. When we talk about hustle, we're talking about a fast-paced, adaptable mindset. Hustlers are quick to see opportunities and take action. They know how to work smart, not just hard, often juggling multiple projects or income streams. On the other hand, grinding is all about consistent effort and resilience. A grinder keeps pushing forward, no matter how tough things get. Grinders believe that success is a result of persistent, long-term effort. They aren't just looking for quick wins, they're focused on enduring hard work and discipline to achieve their goals. The hustle approach. Flexibility and innovation. Hustling is all about flexibility and innovation. A hustler thrives in dynamic environments, where adapting to change and seizing opportunities is key. For example, a hustler might see a chance in the digital world to start a YouTube channel or sell products online. They're not afraid to pivot, learning new skills as they go. Hustlers take calculated risks. They're open to new ideas and often find creative ways to increase their income streams. It's like being an entrepreneur. The focus is on maximizing returns with smart choices. The hustle mindset is perfect for those who enjoy a fast-paced life, constantly looking for the next big thing. For example, take someone who works a 9-to-5 job but also runs an online store or invests in stocks. They aren't waiting for a single source of income to secure their future. Instead, they're always hustling, using their time and resources to create multiple income streams. The grind mindset. Discipline and hard work. In contrast, the grind mindset is less about quick wins and more about consistent effort over time. Grinders believe that if you want something, you must work hard and keep going, even when it gets tough. They're the ones who stick to a job for years, learning everything there is to know and steadily advancing. Grinders focus on the long game, putting in hours and showing up daily. They aren't easily distracted or discouraged. They know that results take time. The grind mindset requires a lot of patience and a strong commitment. People who succeed with the grind mindset don't necessarily look for quick success. They're more about building lasting foundations. For example, a person who works their way up from an entry-level job to a leadership position. They stay the course, putting in the hours and gaining experience until they reach a stable and well-earned position. For them, it's about becoming an expert and securing their future through proven dedication. Strengths and weaknesses of hustling. Now, let's dive deeper into the strengths and weaknesses of the hustle mindset. First, let's take a look at the strengths of hustling. Adaptability. Hustlers are fast on their feet, able to switch gears and adapt to changes. They don't get stuck in one way of thinking. Risk-taking. They're open to taking risks, which often leads to exciting opportunities. Multiple income streams. Hustlers are often juggling side projects or freelance gigs, so they're not dependent on a single income source. Now, let's take a look at the weaknesses of hustling. Burnout risk. Constantly switching between tasks and projects can lead to burnout if not managed well. Inconsistency. Some hustlers may jump from one project to another without following through, which can make long-term success harder to achieve. Lack of stability. Because they rely on multiple income sources, hustlers might lack the financial stability that comes from a single, steady job. Strengths and weaknesses of grinding. First, let's take a look at the strengths of grinding. Consistency. Grinders know that steady effort adds up over time, which helps them build a strong foundation. Resilience. They're persistent, pushing through challenges to reach their goals. Skill mastery. Grinding over long periods allows for expertise and deep knowledge in their field. Now let's take a look at the weaknesses grinding. Limited growth. Because grinders may stick with one job or field, they could miss out on new opportunities. Slow progress. This path requires patience, and success may take longer to achieve. Less flexibility. Grinders are often focused on one specific goal, which could mean fewer opportunities to diversify income. Choosing the right mindset. How do you choose between hustling and grinding? That's the big question. Well, the answer depends on your goals, personality, and resources. If you're someone who enjoys juggling multiple projects and thrives in fast-paced environments, the hustle mindset might be perfect for you. But if you're someone who values stability, mastery, and long-term growth, the grind approach could be a better fit. It's important to note that both paths can lead to wealth if done right. However, knowing your strengths and preferences will help you stay focused and avoid unnecessary frustration. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Combining hustle and grind. Here's a thought. Why not combine the best of both worlds? Many successful people have used a hybrid approach to wealth building. They hustle when they need to explore new opportunities and then shift to grinding when they find something that works. For instance, you might start with a hustle, trying out different jobs or side gigs until you find one that really pays off. Then, you switch to grind mode, putting in the time and effort to master that particular area. This approach allows you to test the waters before fully committing to a long-term strategy. Real-life examples. Let's look at some real-life examples. Elon Musk. He's known for his relentless work ethic, but he's also a master at hustling. Musk didn't just stick with one company. He founded PayPal, Tesla, SpaceX, and more. He embodies both hustle and grind, as he constantly pushes the boundaries while working tirelessly on each project. Warren Buffett. Unlike Musk, Buffett took the grinding route. He's known for sticking with value investing, building his wealth steadily over decades. Buffett's approach is about consistency and deep expertise, focusing on long-term gains rather than quick wins. Side hustlers. Many people today are blending both. They may have a steady job, but they're also working on side businesses, learning new skills, or investing. This gives them financial security while they explore new ways to build wealth. Practical tips for hustlers. If you lean toward the hustle mindset, here are some tips to keep in mind. Time management. Balance multiple projects with a solid schedule. Prioritize health. Don't let the fast pace lead to burnout. Take time to recharge. Stay adaptable. Be open to change and embrace new opportunities. Remember, hustle can bring quick success, but only when done mindfully. Practical tips for grinders. Set long-term goals. Focus on what you want to achieve and stick to a steady plan. Build skills. Use your consistency to master skills that will pay off over time. Practice patience. Understand that results may take time, but persistence is key. The grind approach works best with a patient mindset and a clear vision. Key takeaways. Hustle versus grind. To wrap up, here are the main takeaways. Hustling is about flexibility, taking risks, and maximizing opportunities. Grinding is about patience, consistency, and long-term effort. Choose a path that aligns with your goals, or even combine the two for a balanced approach. Whichever path you choose, remember that both hustle and grind can lead to financial success. It's all about knowing yourself and sticking to what works for you. Thanks for sticking around. Whether you're a hustler or a grinder, each approach has its own benefits in wealth building. So, which one will you choose, or will you combine both? Let us know in the comments. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on wealth building and success strategies. See you in the next video.